In this video, I'm going to show you a short demonstration on exactly how you can integrate Unitu via Moodle through LTI. So I'm on the Moodle demo website. It's a sandbox website on demo.moodle.net. I'm going to first log in as an administrator. So if I just show you how we can do this, so demo.moodle.net, click login, and then the details are already there. Admin sandbox, click login. I just want to show you something else. I am on demo.unitu.co.uk. This is the Unitu's demo website. As you can see, I'm logged out. There's no credentials here. And I just want to show you that when I go onto the Moodle sandbox and do the integration and log in through either a student or an admin, it'll instantly connect me without having to log in and place my details inside the email and password fields. So let's begin. So the first thing you need to do is go to site administration if you're the admin. Once you are here, you go to plugins, scroll down, and you want to look for external tool and manage tools. Then click on configure a tool manually and type in Unitu. And the tool URL will be provided to you by our team, our support team. But the one I'll be using will be demo.unitu.co.uk/LTI. Please make sure you have the HTTPS colon and // and then add the URL. And your URL will be the subdomain for your university, and always ensure that /LTI is there as well. You can then add any tool description. I'm going to add something here. I'm going to add Unitu. The student voice app is a super fast way to collectively discuss any question, issue, or idea you have with your peers and see staff take action on it. So this is something that the students can see and they can click on to learn more about and access the platform. The next step is to add the consumer key. So for this demonstration, it's going to be demo, and the shared secret again will be provided to you by either your account manager or our support team. So I'm just going to paste shared secret. So the details that you will need that will be provided to you by our team will be the tool URL, consumer key, and shared secret. Once you scroll down, you then want to go to default launch container. You can do embed, embed without blocks, existing window, or new window. So it's really up to you. I'm going to do embed without the blocks. And then the last bit is on the privacy section where it says share launcher's email with tool, and we want to click always and click save changes. Now your tool has been added, you now want to configure it in different areas of the platform. So your teachers or any course managers can now add this external tool to any of their courses. So I'm going to show you how you can do that now. So if I click on home and I go to my first course, we can add it in the topics, or we can add it as something on the top of the header here. So to do that, you click on the settings icon here, click turn editing on, and then you want to say, I click on add an activity or resource. Click on external tool, scroll down, click on add, and then type in Unitu, your student voice app. And then the administrator or the teacher will see the link to Unitu here and the drop down list. And then you want to click on save and return to course. Now Unitu is added at the top, as you can see here. You can add it to the topics, but it's always best at the top. And now if I click on this, I should now access my Unitu account through the admin user. So if I go to admin user and I go to my profile, the email address is demo@moodle.a, and you'll notice when I click on the link on my first course over here, it will log me in by authenticating on that email address. So if you are going to test this, you've got to make sure that you have an email or a Unitu account already made for you. So if I click on this, you'll see John Smith now has access to Unitu, and I'm logged in as a student. So if I click on settings, if I go to email address, you'll see demo@moodle.a. So it's already logged me in. So that's great. So now I'm going to log in as a student, and I'll show you how it will appear for a student. Click login, go to student, click login, and here we are. So if I click on my first course, I can see Unitu, your student voice app over here. And you'll see it will say Moodle student. And then a student can add an issue from here. So if I type in issue, description, suggest a solution, sociology, post anonymously, and click add feedback. You can see the issue is now added. Click on, I can see the issue. I can start engaging with it there and then. So this is a very straightforward integration. All you need is the details, and you can request that with your account manager. The next thing I want to show you to really increase the engagement of Unitu via Moodle is to add it as a block, a HTML block. So to do this, what you want to do is copy the URL here. So you can see at the bottom left it says https and then demo.moodle.net/mod/LTI/view.php?id=7. So I'm going to just click on copy link address, and then I'm going to log out. So now I'm going to log in back as an admin, and I'm going to add a HTML block that allows the students to see a Unitu banner at any place of their account on Moodle, and they can click on it and access Unitu without having to log in. So there's a couple of places we can add it. So what we're going to do is go to the home page and click turn editing on. So we can add it here, add an activity or resource here, but we can also add it as an HTML block. So I'm going to show you how to add an HTML block. It's very, very simple. So you click on the settings, turn editing on, and you'll see this appear here, add a block. Click on HTML, and then we are going to configure new HTML, and we're going to have the HTML block title as give your feedback, or anything you want to add, or let us know, how we can improve things, or Unitu, your student voice app. It's always good to have a call to action so you get students engaged with it. Then you're going to click on this icon, which is to add an image, browse, and click choose file. So when you request the details for the LTI configuration, we'll also provide you this VLE banner, or if you wish you can add your own. And then we're going to click upload this file, and we're going to say description not necessary, and we're going to click save image. Then we're going to move over to the add link icon here, and we're going to then paste the link that we had on the student account where it had ID=7. So this is what the link would be. So obviously it'll be your subdomain, and then whatever the ID would be for the student view. And then we're going to click open new window and click create link. And there we have the option of where to put this block. So you can display it on the front page and any pages added to the front page, or display through the entire site. We would definitely recommend display through the entire site. So any course, any page, regardless of whether the teacher adds it as part of the courses or not, you know that the banner will always appear. So once we've done that, we can click save changes. And there you have it. It should appear here. I'm not too sure why the link is there. Let me just configure that. That should not appear there. Let's click on the image. So we've got to make sure that we click on the image and click create link, save changes. That's better. So there we have it. There's the banner. So if I click on the link now, it should take me to the page again, and I should be logged in as the admin account. Yep, John Smith, that's perfect. Now if I log out as an admin, and you can still see that the give your feedback and the banner is appearing even when I'm logged out, and if I click on it, it'll take me to the login screen. And if I click on the field to enter the username and I say student and I log in, There we have it, automatically logged in to Moodle student. And if I go to the home page, I'll see the banner there. If I go to my first course, I'll see the banner there. So it's always appearing to me for me to easily access and click on without having to log in. And I can give feedback at any time, any place within my Moodle account. So that's the very simple and easy way to integrate Unitu with your Moodle account and have students and staff to be able to easily access it without having to enter their credentials.